So, are you making me that bow?
Yeah, I've got to make you some arrows.
Wait. Where is it? Where's the creature?
We're fighting these guys.
Is he gone?
He's over there.
I have enough time to grab my materials. Out of all 15 deaths that's
Oh
in
shoot,
this
is he
river,
leaving?
It's too big.
he'll come back. He's a
He
theory.
will?
He's a theory.
Why will he come back?
Cause he's dumb. He's a pretty dinosaur, but also really dumb.
And I'm confused. I'm dying.
Hold on.
Fine.
Okay. Do you still want that bow?
No.
I would love that bow, actually.
Okay.
Ugh.
Well, I'm making you a bunch of arrows.
I'm gonna transport all my crap into this box.
China.
Okay. I'm gonna drop the bow in here.
China.
Can I do that?
Yes.
Ball. In your balls.
There.
Ooh, 22 arrows?
22 arrows. Is that good?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, friggin' moss chops just scared me. I'm gonna get this thing off our island because it'll come back.
Okay. Go for it.
Unless I could just stand up high and...
Oh, you can break down your dead body and then eat it.
Okay.
I did something. Oh, it's walking closer to me. I would really appreciate to have some high ground.
Zachary, did you know you could break down and eat your own dead body?
Yes.
Great.
Is that a Obi-Wan Kenobi reference? I have the high ground.
No.
When you said the high ground, is that a Obi-Wan Kenobi reference?
I don't even know who the frick that is.
You don't know who
That's
Obi-Wan
from
Kenobi
Star
is?
Wars, dude.
No, I don't watch Star Wars.
Dog.
You're lame, dude.
You are lame. Usually I'd never agree with Isaac, but... Come on.
Friggin' Dillo. Okay. High ground.
I have the high.
Ooh, actually, this is perfect high ground right here. Come at me, there, balls! Oh, frick, I missed. Balls! No way, I just missed again.
That's funny.
Frick this. You're too far. Bro, am I not hitting him, or what?
1500.
Broski.
Hmm?
Hit the dairy! I got 11 bullets left. It's a stupid bird creature, it's hitting but not registering. Broski, I have 9 arrows left because none of them be registering.
That's funny.
Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, I messed up. Uh-oh.
What'd you do?
Uh,
Zachary?
uh, ah, ah, oh, never mind. I'm good.
So why are you playing,
I got it under control.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, this thing has a bit of health. Ow.
The giant terrifying bird dinosaur?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah?
Okay, it just smacked me again. I am about to die. What do I need for arrows? A flint?
I see your dead body in the water. Hold on.
I'm alive still.
There's somebody else. It's you. I know it's you. You've got humongous eyes. I'm gonna chop you up so I can eat you.
Bro, what the freak? Freaking stupid dinosaur.
You are a dinosaur. Go.
Can you die for me, please?
No.
Too close! Ah! Ah! I'm good.
so many dead bodies in this river.
I'm dead. I'm
Zach,
fully.
Okay.
are you among us?
Ah, there's a Sarco! Get out of the river! Get out of the river! There's a Crookie Dilly! There's a crocodile! You're heading right towards it!
Where? Oh
It's
my
my
god.
Get out!
Help! Ah!
Zachary, you have too many bodies in the water. What do you mean?
Oh my god.
I was busy harvesting the
Oh, it's coming!
dead
It's
bodies in the water.
coming! It's
It's
coming! It's coming!
Ah! Help!
You guys are all dying.
I don't have anything to help. Ah! I'm in the water now!
Ew.
Just come over here. I'll get it away from the base. It's slow as frick, so we're fine. Wait, I have an idea. I can make it attack the Theri and they can fight to the death.
Whoa.
Oh, never mind. It aggroed on a trike.
That'll do. Can a trike take it?
Yeah, probably.
Sick. Okay, I just punched my own dead body into submission.
I am so
I love
amazing.
this game.
It's definitely not torturous.
Yeah. Definitely
It's
not.
so torturous. Oh my god.
I need rocks.
Ow! Oh, I was standing on top of.
It's perfect because you're the only one that is dying, Zach.
Hey, don't
No,
judge me.
I got tore up pretty bad by that
I am
crocodile.
judging you because you're dying.
I got a raft. I have enough for a raft. Whoa. Let's see here.
Orange juice.
Did you just take my...
This is my meat that I put in the fire.
Where's my meat?
I don't know. You can have some of mine.
It broke my fire.
It did break your fire.
But then where's my fire's... I just crap myself. This game is so dumb.
I
and
picked
fun.
up your dead fire stuff. I put it in your storage.
Ugh.
Are you dying, Zach?
There's no meat in here. I feel offended.
You are dying.
I would like to get my tools back. Sorry, did you just take that hatchet out of there?
I didn't take anything.
What? Put a hatchet in here.
You
This.
got mine.
No, I don't want yours. I'll just make my own.
Okay.
That's Sandy? Sandy?
How much stuff do I have?
Can you drink any? Be hungry. Can I be hungry? Thank you very much.
Okay.
Like that?
Here, let's see. I'm able to make spike walls now. I unlocked them.
Spike walls.
Yeah, you put them around your base and whatever it hits it gets damaged.
I don't want
Cool.
you.
Very cool. Can I
I don't
hover?
want your.
Is it
I don't
gonna...
want your.
Okay. It's not telling me what I need.
I don't want your crusty walls. Get out of there.
Isaac, you're not even playing with us.
I know.
Why is it not telling me what I need to get my stuff?
I just don't want your walls. That's why.
Do I need wood or some crap?
Yes.
I
Get
did.
your walls
Okay.
out of here.
Okay, other one. So, we should try building this base.
Yeah, we're gonna have such a good base.
Yeah, and it's not gonna get destroyed. Okay. Fiber. We need a smithy table so I can get a sickle.
Walls in your.
Perfect. I need roofs now. It's not telling me what I need to build stuff, and I don't know what I clicked to turn that off.
Ooh, there's so much storage.
Good thing about large storage boxes. Okay, what do I need here? 1, 2, 3, 4.
I haven't played grounded in a while. I don't know what is released.
Dang it. Okay, what do we have in here?
One place is the mushroom update, bruh.
Oh, we got a door.
I'm taking the fiberwood and thatch that you just stored.
Okay.
You look like a thatch. Ah, yes.
Yay, the house is finally complete.
Yippee.
Well, only on the outside it's complete.
It's fine.
Balls in your balls. But if you can,
I just demolished my small storage box so I can craft another one.
But if you combine balls and balls, because balls would be on the wall.
Please, what you're saying either. Dang,
I'm
you
saying
can't
balls
stack
and balls.
store. Oh, we don't have S plus. That's why. S plus makes it so you can actually stack storage boxes and all that.
Oh, that's so cool.
But do that.
Yeah, I don't want to. Do you
Ow.
want to take that
Ow.
meat that's in there?
Ow.
What are you?
Ow.
Were you just standing on the fire?
I was trying to put the bird on it. The not
You're
bird.
so good. You're so good at this game.
Oh, like that.
Ew. What do you mean?
I mean,
Zach,
It's so pretty.
I look normal.
Hey Zach, you're one of the series. You should show your thighs in the series.
Don't say that,
Why?
Isaac.
In the game. I meant the game.
They've seen many parts of my thighs already. Don't worry.
Ew.
What is happening?
I'm
Juicy
covering up my
balls.
thighs. Don't worry.